Now the question based on the elevation of boiling point is that the 18 grams of glucose, and the formula of glucose is C6H12O6, is dissolved in 1 kg of water in the saucepan. At what temperature will water boil at 1 bar? 1 bar temperature, we already know that at 1 bar water boils at 100-degree temperature, 100 degree Celsius temperature, or the 373 Kelvin temperature, as we already know. At But water in the solution, in the saucepan, it means the when glucose is added in the water, then at 1 bar pressure, what is the boiling temperature, boiling point of water in the solution? This is the question. Now first we write all the values that are given in the question. First thing, that is the mass of solute is given. Wv is 18 grams. 18 grams is the first line. There is the 18 grams of glucose. And second, that is the molar mass of glucose. We already know the molar mass of glucose is 180 grams per mole. C6H12O6. Here C6, it means the 6 into atomic mass of carbon is 12, and C6H12, S12 plus 12, because the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16, then into 6, 16 into 6. When we have 12 into 6, 72, plus 12, and plus 16 6 times 96. When we add these 72 plus 12 and 96, then we get the 180. Hence the molar mass of glucose is the 180 grams per mole. And in the question, the mass of a solvent, here the solvent is water and solute is the glucose. Wa is 1 kg or 1000 grams. That is also given in the question. Dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, 1 kg of water. So this is also given. And the another thing we know, that the molar elevation boiling point, boiling point, not boiling point. Here you write the constant. Molar elevation constant is Kb for water is the 0.52 Kelvin Kg per mole. So this is a molar elevation constant for water. So, and we know that, and the question here, do we find that the what is the TB? What is TB? It means the boiling point of water in solution. The question is asked. Now we know that the TB, delta TB equal to Kb into Wv into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. This is the Kb is the molar elevation constant. Wb, that is the mass of solute, and Mb is the molar mass of solute, and this is the Wa is the mass of solvent. Now we put the values of these quantities. Kb is the 0.52, Wb is the 18, and 1000 as it is, and Mb, that is the molar mass of solute, it means the glucose, that is 180, and Wa, that is the mass of solvent, that is 1000 grams. Now when we solve this, 1000 cancelled out, 1000 and 1000 present the denominator and numerator, hence these are cancelled out, and 18 1 times 18 and 18 10 times 180. Now we left with 0 point delta t be equal to 0.52 divided by 10. On dividing we get 0.052 Kelvin. This is the change in temperature, I mean the raised boiling point. This boiling point raised. Now we know that the delta TB equal to TB minus T naught B. T naught B is the boiling point of water, pure water, boiling point of pure water here. And we know that the boiling point of pure water is the 273 Kelvin. Actually it is the 273.15 Kelvin. We can also write 273 Kelvin. And by shifting this value into the right hand side, RHS, this becomes positive, and now by putting the value 273 and adding, we get the TB, that's equal to the 273.052 Kelvin. This is the boiling point of water in the solution. This is the boiling point of water in the solution that is asked by the question. So thank you.